Hi everyone, and today I'm going to show you subtraction on the bead frame. And I have a math equation here, 970 and give away 546. So this is our minuend, and that is our subtrahend, and the answer will be called remainder. So let's compose minuend on the bead frame. Alright, let's do together. Come on. How much we have on the units place is 0, so we do not need to bring anything on the units place because we have 0, so just leave it like that. How many tens? 7 tens. Let's count with me, please. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, and 7 tens. How many hundreds? 9 hundreds. Count with me, please. 100, 2 hundreds, 3 hundreds, 4 hundreds, 5 hundreds, 6 hundreds, 7 hundreds, 8 hundreds, and 9 hundreds. So we have 970. That is our minuend. So we need to give away 546. So let's do that. So on the units place we have nothing, so we need to give away 6. What can we do? I'm going to show you here. So we have here 0, let you know. 0, so but we need to give away 6. What 0 will go to the next category. So next category is 7 tens. So 0 said to the 7 tens, can I have 1 10? 0 said I have to give away 6, but I am 0. I could not give away because I have nothing. Then the 7 10 says, don't worry, I will give you 1 10. So 7 10 gave 1 10 to 0. Then 0 becomes 10 units. So I'm going to cross it out. Then the 7 tens became 6 tens. No more 7 tens. Now 6 tens, so units 10 units. So now we have 10 units to give away 6. We have enough units. So I'm going to show you on the bead frame. Okay. Here, so I am going to go to the next category, borrow 1 10. We know we have 7 tens as I showed you on the chalkboard, and I'm going to bring 1 10 in the center, showing that we are going to take 10 units. You could see 10 units equal 1 10. Since we are taking 10 units, 1 10 will go back. Now we have 10 units as I showed you here on the chalkboard. Now we could give 6 units. So let's count with me. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, and 6 units. So how many units left over now? After giving 6 units, now we have 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me write it down here first. Okay, 4 units. So I'm going to write down on the chalk here also 4 units, 4 units, 4 units, and 4 units right here. Okay, all right. So let's give away tens. How many tens we need to give away? 4 tens. Please count with me. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens and 4 tens. How many tens left over now after giving away 4 tens? 2 tens. Let's write it down. Here 2 tens. I am going to write on here also 2 tens. So we have 6 tens. Give away 4 tens. We got 2 tens here. Okay. Let's see, give away hundreds. How many hundreds we need to give away? 5 hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. How many hundreds left over after giving away 500? So let's see. 100, 200, 300 and 400. So let's write down 400 here. 400. I am going to write down over here also 400s. 9. Take away 5 is 4. Okay, and here is. So that's our remainder. Here you could see 400s on the bead frame, 2 tens and 4 units. So 424. 424 and 424 here also. That is our remainder. Thank you for watching, my friends. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.